This is Equinox 800. That is the latest multi-frequency, probably simultaneous multi-frequency detector launched by Minelab. And these are the buttons over here. This one is to turn on the machine. This one is for backlight. That's a user button. And this one is to connect the Bluetooth headphones of any kind. Any available Bluetooth headphones can be connected to this unit. So now we are going to turn this on. Yeah, and we're going to increase the backlight like this. It has got 3 levels. No backlight, first level, second level, third level. Alright, now here we can see that we have got these keys. With these two we can increase or decrease the sensitivity. So that is the sensitivity icon over here. So if you want to increase the sensitivity, just press the plus. Take the sensitivity to the highest level where the detector becomes noisy. Now see, it has become noisy. Now we are going to reduce the level where it becomes quiet. So that is the perfect sensitivity level for that particular location. See this, now it is basically quiet. So that is the recommended setting for this location where we are right now testing the machine. Second thing is, we have got these frequencies, and you can select 5 kilohertz, 10 kilohertz, 15 kilohertz, 20 kilohertz, 40 kilohertz, or simultaneous multi-frequency. So in this mode, all the frequencies from 5 to 40 kilohertz simultaneously go into the coil, and that is the best detecting mode, detecting frequency. So it's multi-frequency simultaneous. And now we have got different modes. So using this key, we can select different modes. So I'll take you through the first one. So this one is the park mode. So you can see a bench and a tree. So that is a symbol or icon for a park mode. And then it has got 2 profiles, number 1 and number 2. Similarly, this is field. So you have the icon of a windmill, and this is for field. And then you have a palm tree, that is for beach. And then you have prospecting, so that is for gold mode. So Equinox 800 basically has a gold mode, and the Equinox 600 doesn't have the gold mode. So that is the difference between these two models. So we'll be working in the park mode and first profile. And you can see here that we have got a discrimination scale. In this discrimination scale, the black marks basically are accepted targets, and the white marks are rejected targets. However, now this scale starts from negative values up to 40, positive 40. So it has got 50 segments. Out of these are white. That means we have blocked the ferrous content. So this responds to the ferrous content of the material. But if you want to detect ferrous, then we have got an all metal key. If you press this gets activated. That means now the machine would sound on all type of metals. But if you press this again, it goes away. That means it won't sound on ferrous. Though it may detect ferrous, but it won't sound on it. So that is better, because you don't want to get a lot of junk or a lot of trash, So it's always better to mask these lower values of ferrous out. Right, and this one is to get back from any settings, or that's a return key or a pinpointing key. So it has a dual function. So whenever you turn on the machine, the first thing that you do is noise cancel. So I'll be taking you through the settings button. The first setting is the noise cancel, and you press this one. The detector automatically cancels the ambient EMI, electromagnetic interference, or the surrounding noise. And then you press the return key. This is ready. And sensitivity you have already settled, like take it to the maximum where it becomes noisy, and then bring it to a level where it is calm and quiet. So I think that is better. Now it is ready for detection. So if we put a lot of samples, or you can say targets, like I've got various targets having different material. So you can see here that this is aluminum, and this one is copper oxide. This one is also copper, but it also has some other material. That's why it has not formed oxide. And that's Indian rupee, and that's junk. Basically, it's having a lot of ferrous, so it won't sound on this. So I'll be placing these on the ground. So this one is ferrous. Here. So now it is not detecting this because that is a ferrous target. But if I bring the machine into all metals, so it detects that. Alright, and another thing is it has got a very high recovery speed. So if I swing it quickly, it's gonna tell me all the metals. And that is the best part of it. So you can very quickly scan the field. However, in the conventional metal detectors, they get saturated. So when there are a lot of metals, it is not able to identify or distinguish between different metals.
Right.
But here, it gives you all the IDs. So that is the best part of it.
That means you can create music out from that detector, Mandeep.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
That's really good. All right.